Good Saturday. It's Saturday. We're drinking. Cheers, it's Saturday. We're drinking. Hey, I found this 70s ad for Mary Kitchen roast beef hash. It's a very simple ad. It's really just 3 ingredients: Wolf Brand, Mary Kitchen, and green pepper. And all it says is mix these 2 together with the green pepper, heat and serve. Heat and serve. Fill the taco shells, some lettuce, tomato, and onion. We're going to do it just a little different. I want to cook this first, get it a little crispy. Otherwise it'll be a little mushy. I've never tried Mary Kitchen roast beef hash. I've never had it. I've only had canned corned beef hash. What does this taste like? That's one of the reasons we're doing the video. I've never mixed a hash with chili. Cheers, it's Saturday. We're drinking. We're going to make 3 tacos. 1 their way. Hash, chili, and the green peppers. Then we're going to add a little enchilada sauce to that. So that'll be the second one. And then we're going to try the hash with enchilada sauce only. And that's what we're going to do. And we're going to top it with a couple of fixins. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Cheers, it's Saturday. We're drinking. Oh. I just got to take a taste. I don't know what this tastes like. Oh, it's really different. It's more beefy. It's completely different than corned beef hash. Cheers, it's Saturday, we're drinking. I'm going to remove some for our hash and enchilada sauce only. Boy, it really reduces, doesn't it? Because the hash reduces so much, I don't think you need a full can. We're going to add a little enchilada sauce to this, but we're going to keep some of this just the way it is. Because cheers, it's Saturday, we're drinking. Original, no enchilada sauce. It's delicious. It's delicious. Okay. Original with enchilada sauce. It's better. That is a really good taco. I wouldn't know it's hash though. Very interesting. This is just hash and enchilada sauce. No chili, right? Wow, just hash and enchilada. Now, this is just the hash and chili. That's delicious. And this is hash, chili, and enchilada sauce. I'll put a little enchilada on here. Onion ring. Both very good. The hash, chili, and enchilada sauce wins. Thanks for joining me this Saturday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? It's Saturday. We're drinking. Thanks for watching. Oh.